I saw these cake mixes from Duncan Hines at the store. If you're looking for a keto birthday, well, here's a solution. Happy birthday, and let's go.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low-carb food. Please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you new videos every week. All right, we're gonna look at these Duncan Hines keto-friendly birthday cakes. So let's check this out. There's two of them. We have the birthday cake mix. It says 5 grams of net carbs, 0 grams added sugar, 9 grams of protein by Duncan Hines Keto Friendly. And then here we have the double chocolate cake mix. Also 5 grams net carbs, 0 grams added sugar, 8 grams of protein. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So here's a birthday cake mix. Let's see, there's 1 serving per container, and it's 300 calories, 15 grams total fat, 6 grams saturated fat, total carbs 33 grams. That's not what was advertised. And if you look on the side, this is how they calculate the net carbs. So 5 grams of net carbs, the asterisk below, 5 grams of net carbs is 33 grams total carbs minus 5 grams dietary fiber, minus 2 grams sugar alcohol, and minus 21 grams of allulose. So there's a lot of allulose in here. Let's take a look at double chocolate. Very similar profile back here, 300 calories per serving, 14 grams of fat, 5 of that is from saturated. And here we have 34 grams total carbs. And same thing here. If you look at the net carbs count, it is the 34 grams total carbs minus 6 grams dietary fiber, minus 2 grams sugar alcohol, minus the 21 grams of allulose. And from the ingredients, it's very similar ingredient profile. So allulose is number 1, almond flour, coconut flour, palm oil, dried egg whites. So the difference here is there is cocoa powder, and the rest are leavening agents, some cocoa butter, salt, stevia sweetener, soy lecithin, vanilla extract, and then whole milk powder, natural flavors. So let's give it a try. Let's try the birthday cake mix first. So here's the instructions. So let's remove the film from cup, add 2 tablespoons of cold water and 2 tablespoons melted butter. Stir well. I guess you could try replacing butter with coconut or avocado oil. And then just microwave uncovered on high for 1 minute, and then cool 2 minutes in the microwave and remove carefully. So let's try it. Let's open it. Look at that. So it is a birthday cake mix. So a lot of those ingredients are probably for those colorful, the blue and the red colorings that's associated with the birthday cake mix. So I guess we're supposed to remove the entire lid. Okay. And then add 2 tablespoons cold water and add 2 tablespoons melted butter. Let's do that. 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of water. Here we have 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna melt this in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. All right, here's the melted butter. So just pour that in. Let's take a fork. Look at that. Kind of does look like a cake mix. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty non-stick actually. And finally, microwave uncovered on high for 1 minute and then cool for 2 minutes. And here we go. This is after 1 minute in the microwave and cooling for about 2 minutes. You can see it is a solid birthday cake. If you squeeze the sides, it does start to separate from the edge of the container. I don't know if you can see that. Now, the instructions don't say anything further. It just says remove from Microwave carefully. Cake best enjoyed warm, so it is warm. But do you just scoop it from inside? I mean, if we're gonna do a birthday cake, you might want to put a candle on it. So let's try to pour it out. Let's see if this will come out. Oh, fell right out. There's a little bit left on the bottom. It's probably could have done a better job of stirring. Look at that. It's a spongy cake. Good texture, a little moist. Not bad. Here we have birthday cake. Now, birthday cake is not complete without a candle. Happy birthday! Keto-friendly birthday cake. Okay, let's cut into this and take a look. Oh. So this one actually holds up quite nicely as a cake. A little crumbly, but very soft and moist. Let's give it a taste. So first of all, it's very sweet. I think that 21 grams of allulose is definitely there. You definitely taste the almond flour and the coconut flour mixture. So in some ways it tastes more like a macaroon, and texture-wise, it's very common with keto recipes for cake. I mean, it has the same ingredients, which is almond flour, coconut flour, a sweetener, an oil and eggs. So it's a very common recipe, and that texture is the same as, there's plenty of these recipes online, and you can definitely check them out. But I would say the texture is very similar to that. A pretty decent, I would say easy and quick replacement for a birthday cake you could make yourself if you had the ingredients. But this is nice. It's just packaged in the box. If you need a quick celebratory event, such as a birthday, this is a great alternative. All right, here we have a keto-friendly double chocolate cake mix. Remove film from cap, add 2 tablespoons cold water and 2 tablespoons melted butter, stir well, and then microwave uncovered on high for 1 minute, cool 2 minutes in the microwave. All right, so let's do that. So remove the film from the top. This did say to remove it completely. Look at that, it just looks like a chocolate cake mix. And now look, there's a couple chocolate chips in there. All right, so then we're supposed to add 2 tablespoons of cold water, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. We also need 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Pour that in and stir well, just using a fork. It's starting to look like regular cake batter. Let's make sure there's no clumps. Okay, scrape down the sides. What do you think? Looks good. And said microwave for 1 minute and let cool for 2 minutes in the microwave. Here we go. Here we have, after 1 minute of microwave and then 2 minutes of cooling, here's a double chocolate cake. This one doesn't seem to separate very well from the edge of the cup, so I'm going to take a knife, just a paring knife in. Let's just make sure that it's separated from the edge. Okay. Let's see if we can pour it out. Oh, there it is. And probably could have done a better job mixing, but there's a little bit left in the bottom. That's okay. Let's give it a shot. It's not as fluffy. It's a very moist cake. A little denser than typical cake, but let's give it a shot. Wow, this is very sweet. What was it, 21 grams of allulose is really very sweet. Good chocolate flavor. There is a good amount of chocolate in here. So you get the chocolate, you get the sweetness. a hint of bitterness at the end. I think maybe from some of the other sugar alcohols. Maybe it's allulose, maybe it's stevia. Very moist cake, but all in all, a pretty good substitute for cake. And ultimately, the ingredients are very similar to what you would make from other keto cake recipes you might see online, using almond flour, coconut flour, an egg base, and artificial sweetener. So it's really all that put into a little package. Super easy.
Chocolate cake. And there you have it. 2 great options for easy, fast, keto-friendly cake. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great birthday.